Welcome guys, today I will be showing you the best tips for my dancing brain rot. First, after you finish your tutorial, redeem codes in the shop over here, right here. And then second, click rewards. Then here you can claim codes like lunch 10 and ghost 1. Wait, bro, what was that? Oh, forgot it. And when you finish, and when you redeem the codes, like those codes, go to shop again and click conveyors to get better crates like this. This is the common crate. This is what the first conveyor gives you: wooden crate, this crate, and stone crate. And the second one gives you what is silver crate and ice crate, I think. Yeah, ice crate. No. And then the legendary one gives you like, yeah, I don't know the names of that. To get and save up money to buy Halloween crates like this. Like this, okay? Like this. These Halloween crates, only this. I'm playing in the Halloween event right now, so if you saw this video late, means the Halloween event is already over. Halloween crates gives you very good items like a bad like luck. See? So save up cash to buy Halloween crates, alright? And save save up stuff like crates for more future stuff. And if you and rebirthing doesn't remove your brain rots, it just removes your cash. So if you were worrying that if rebirthing deletes your cash and brain rots, it only deletes the cash. Okay? Like this. See? I rebirthed right now. I rebirthed earlier. I got this from the Halloween crate. So the Halloween crate is kinda good. Yeah. Peace. Wait. So please add me. Please.